Transforming scrap plywood into high-end Scandi-style, fluted wall panel art begins with a radical shift in perception. An understanding that even the most overlooked workshop remnants can be elevated into architectural statements when guided by geometric precision and thoughtful craftsmanship. Jagged plywood offcuts, often dismissed as unusable because of their irregular shapes, splintered corners, or layered edges, carry within them a structural integrity and layered beauty that lend themselves remarkably well to Scandinavian minimalism. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Scandi design celebrates restraint, natural textures, and quiet sophistication, and at first glance rough plywood may appear incompatible with such refinement. Yet when stripped down to uniform slats and machined with deliberate accuracy, these scraps can convincingly mimic the elegance of expensive tambour paneling, bridging the gap between waste and high-end interior design in a way that feels both contemporary and conscious. The process begins with sorting and assessing the plywood offcuts, identifying pieces thick enough to yield consistent strips once trimmed. Plywood, composed of cross-laminated veneers, offers stability that solid wood sometimes lacks, making it an ideal substrate for fluted wall art when handled correctly. Even warped or uneven scraps can be reclaimed by first squaring one edge on a table saw, creating a reliable reference line from which uniform slats can be ripped. This initial act of squaring transforms chaos into order, establishing the geometric discipline that will define the finished piece. Each subsequent cut refines the plywood into slender, vertical ribs, carefully dimensioned to maintain consistency in width and thickness. Precision is paramount here. Slight variations can disrupt the visual rhythm that makes fluted designs so compelling. As the jagged remnants gradually become clean, repetitive strips, the transformation from waste to possibility becomes tangible. Machining precise bevels along the edges of each slat is the step that elevates simple strips into architectural art. By angling the blade or using a router with a chamfer bit, subtle bevels soften the harshness of square edges and introduce gentle shadow lines once the slats are mounted side by side. These bevels replicate the dimensional depth of traditional tambour panels found in luxury interiors, where rounded or angled profiles catch light and create a dynamic interplay between highlight and shade. Achieving uniform bevels across dozens of slats requires patience and calibration, ensuring that each angle matches perfectly so the overall composition appears seamless. The repetition of identical profiles builds a visual cadence that resonates with Scandinavian principles of harmony and balance. What began as fragmented plywood scraps now carries the refined silhouette of high-end paneling. Mounting these vertical ribs onto a dark-stained backing further enhances the illusion of depth and luxury. The backing panel acts as both structural support and visual contrast, allowing the lighter tones of raw or lightly finished plywood to stand out dramatically. When slats are spaced evenly or installed flush, depending on the desired aesthetic, narrow shadow gaps emerge between them, intensifying the three-dimensional effect. The dark backdrop recedes visually, emphasizing the vertical lines that draw the eye upward and create a sense of height and calm. In Scandinavian interiors, vertical elements often evoke simplicity and natural order, echoing the trunks of trees or the grain of timber walls. By leveraging this visual language, fluted wall panels crafted from scrap plywood achieve a serene sophistication that belies their humble origins. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Sanding and finishing complete the transformation, smoothing exposed edges and refining the tactile experience of the piece. Because plywood edges reveal layered veneers, careful sanding can either celebrate or soften these lines. In some designs, the stratified layers are embraced as a subtle decorative element, reinforcing the authenticity of the material. In others, a thin veneer or edge banding may be applied to achieve a cleaner appearance. Finishing choices profoundly influence the final aesthetic. Clear matte sealants preserve the natural warmth of the wood while protecting it from moisture and wear, aligning with Scandi minimalism's preference for understated elegance. Alternatively, soft whitewashes or pale stains can brighten the surface, enhancing the light, airy quality typical of Nordic-inspired spaces. Regardless of the finish, the emphasis remains on subtlety rather than excess, allowing form and rhythm to define the artwork. The true power of this transformation lies not only in aesthetics, but in philosophy. By converting workshop waste into refined wall art, we challenge the notion that luxury must rely on exotic or expensive materials. Instead, sustainable luxury emerges from geometric precision and intentional design. Each slat, meticulously cut and beveled, demonstrates that value is created through process rather than purchase. The discipline required to achieve consistent spacing, flawless bevels, and seamless alignment cultivates craftsmanship that rivals commercial architectural installations. When mounted in a modern living room, hallway, or office, the finished fluted panel radiates calm sophistication, becoming a focal point that anchors the space without overwhelming it. Beyond visual appeal, the project also embodies environmental responsibility. Plywood offcuts are abundant in workshops and construction sites, frequently destined for landfill despite retaining structural strength. Repurposing these fragments reduces waste and extends the life cycle of manufactured wood products. In a design landscape increasingly concerned with sustainability, such eco-conscious practices resonate deeply with homeowners and buyers. A fluted wall art piece crafted from reclaimed plywood carries a narrative of transformation, appealing to those who value authenticity and mindful consumption. It becomes more than decor, it becomes a statement of values, proving that environmental awareness and modern elegance are not mutually exclusive. The geometric precision inherent in fluted design fosters a meditative quality during both creation and display. As each slat is positioned and secured to the backing, the repetitive alignment reinforces rhythm and balance. This repetition mirrors Scandinavian design's emphasis on order and simplicity, creating a calming visual effect once installed. Light interacting with the bevels produces subtle shifts throughout the day, animating the surface without clutter. The interplay of shadow and highlight enhances depth while maintaining minimalism. In small spaces especially, such panels can introduce texture without sacrificing openness, adding architectural interest while preserving the airy feel central to Scandi interiors. For artisans and creators, this transformation also presents economic opportunity. High-end fluted wall panels often command significant prices in interior design markets, yet the core material cost for reclaimed plywood remains minimal. By investing time and technical precision rather than expensive resources, makers can produce pieces that appeal to premium buyers seeking bespoke, sustainable art. The combination of eco-conscious sourcing and refined execution elevates perceived value, allowing scrap materials to compete within luxury decor categories. This dynamic underscores the broader principle that thoughtful craftsmanship bridges the gap between affordability and exclusivity. Ultimately, transforming scrap plywood into Scandi-style, fluted wall panel art exemplifies the profound potential hidden within workshop remnants. By stripping jagged offcuts into uniform slats, machining precise bevels that echo architectural tambour, and mounting vertical ribs onto contrasting backings, we craft a narrative of elevation and intention. The finished panels stand as proof that sustainable luxury arises from discipline, creativity, and respect for material. In bridging workshop waste and high-end minimalism, We affirm that design excellence does not depend on pristine beginnings, but on purposeful transformation. Through geometric precision and eco-conscious craftsmanship, discarded plywood becomes a sophisticated expression of modern Scandinavian elegance, inviting calm, texture, and mindful beauty into contemporary homes. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.